My hunt for unique tech gadgets just never seemed to end. Today I got my hands on something very exclusive. So this is a wireless gaming controller, but I believe you've never seen anything like this before, guys. It literally has a display on board. A lot of people usually keep looking to buy like wireless gaming controllers either for your PC, laptop, or maybe even you want to play on your phones, right? Well, you guys came to the right video. This could actually be like super useful for you. This is a multi-platform compatible wireless gaming controller from CyberWolf. It is called as a Vision Alpha. You can directly use it on your Windows PC or maybe on your laptop, iPhone, Android, and even Nintendo Switch as well, guys. And supports both Bluetooth connectivity and 2.4G wireless dongle is also there. But the main highlight, as I've told you guys, you're literally getting like a 2 inches high resolution LCD display at the center, and it can show you lots of information. Not only that, this controller offers like very premium quality stuff on board. You're getting mechanical XYAB switches, Hall effect joysticks, Hall effect triggers, and check out the design as well. You're getting a futuristic see-through sort of front face plate. I mean, that looks very cool, right? So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about the whole controller, how its overall performance and all of its features. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So boys, our brand new gaming controller from CyberWolf came in this sort of packaging. As I've told you, it's called as the Vision Alpha and has a very premium sort of packaging. Let's check it out. And at the back side, you can check out all of its exclusive features, which we'll anyhow talk about once we get started with the unboxing. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly open it and show you how the controller looks like. Sliding out the top cover, there you go, the actual box packaging with the CyberWolf branding on the top. And as soon as you open it, guys, this is the gaming controller I was excited to talk about. CyberWolf's all new Vision Alpha, the gaming controller that literally has like a display on board. Let me just take it out. I believe this controller is available only in this one particular color as of now, which is the white and silver theme. And oh my god, holy moly, check out the design and looks, guys. Looks absolutely beautiful, right? We'll just come back to the gaming controller in a moment. Keeping that aside, let me also show you what else we got in the package. So there's a 2.4G wireless dongle included, and it also supports Bluetooth as well. I've told you, right, multi-platform supported. And this, I believe, is your charging dock, charging station basically. You can charge this gaming controller simply by placing it on the dock just like this. Or you can even use directly Type-C cable, up to you guys. Charging dock though is included in the package. And let me tell you, you can easily plug in the 2.4G wireless dongle also within this charging station only. So a single USB cable to your PC or laptop will connect to both your controller and also keep it charged. That is actually thoughtful, I would say. A USB-C cable is included in the package, and also look at this, you're also getting some extra thumbsticks included of different lengths. So you can easily customize it. The thumbsticks on the joystick are easily removable as per your requirement. Plus a user manual, just make sure to read that if you have time. Not to forget, there's also a screen guard included for the display on the gaming controller, guys. Full on package by CyberWolf. Now let me give you a closer look and show you how this baby looks like. I mean, check it out, guys. The Vision Alpha in the hands, and boy oh boy, it actually looks and feels quite premium from my initial impressions. I mean, check out the whole color scheme. Kind of looks straight from cyberpunk sort of era, right? I mean, look at this. The top shell, entire shell has a transparent see-through sort of design. You can actually check out the vibrating motors on the inside. Very cool. And yes, it also has like RGB lighting. And not to forget the main highlight, fully customizable 2 inches LCD display at the center control panel, guys. Keeping that aside, very beautiful look and feel. Build quality is also nice. The whole layout has a very Xbox sort of design, guys, and the whole joystick also feels quite comfortable when you hold it. Quality of these thumbsticks is also nice. Offer a nice rubbery texture that will give you extra grip. Plus they're also replaceable. You're getting extra set of thumbsticks included in the package. And on the bottom side, you're getting 4 buttons using which you can easily customize and navigate through the display menu. You're getting a back button, start button, also work as your plus and minus. Home button is also there, and a separate square button. Apart from that, you're getting a full-on D-pad, mechanical tactile XYAB buttons are also there. And check out the side profile. You're getting your CyberWolf branding, plus I believe this is RGB illuminated. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing on the bottom profile. Let me go to the top side and show you how it looks like. Here you're getting your CyberWolf branding. A USB-C port is also there. So in case if you don't want to use the charging dock, you can even directly connect it and use it in wired connectivity mode, or even charge the controller using a Type-C cable. And check out these triggers, guys. You're getting Hall effect premium triggers, and they're also adjustable. At the back side, you see these levers. This will help you adjust between long range and short range as per your game and requirement, guys. Depends depends on the scenario. So I really like this sort of subtle customization CyberWolf has included. Not only that, if you talk about the bumpers, right, you're getting Alps grade bumper quality, guys. So premium buttons and everything included over here. At the back profile, you're also getting 4 programmable buttons, M1, M2, M3, M4. You can assign like different sort of macros, commands, everything on the fly using the built-in display. I mean, that is pretty cool, right? So that's it, our complete overview on the design, and build quality is also top notch, as I've told you guys. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, connect it to my PC, and basically show you how the display on the Vision Alpha looks like. Pairing it was super simple. Just simply plug in the dongle on your PC or even your laptop, power on the controller, and bam, it automatically pairs and is good to go. In case if you want to connect it to maybe your phone or Nintendo Switch, right, just simply go to the controller menu and change the mode from over there. Anyways, here's how the display on it looks like, and at the beginning only I've told you, right, on board you're getting a high resolution 2 inches LCD display that shows plenty of information like the battery level, current mode, and much more. And by long pressing the home screen, you can access the controller's menu. If you want to switch between different devices, right, basically multi-platform compatibility, you can do that from the mode section over here. Right now it is connected to my Windows PC via wireless dongle, but yes, apart from that, it also supports Bluetooth connectivity as well, so you can easily pair it with your Android phone, iPhone, or even Nintendo Switch. Now going to the settings, the controller supports 3 memory profiles on board where you can customize plenty of things, starting from button mapping, trigger sensitivity, joystick response curve to vibration intensity. Everything on the go directly on the controller's display itself, guys. You don't need any softwares on your PC, no application installation, nothing required. So that makes it very convenient and user friendly. If you go to the display section, here you can adjust the display brightness, RGB lighting colors, different modes you can choose from. Basically you're getting 2-zone RGB lighting on the left and right profile of the controller and look quite beautiful, especially in dark environment. And yes, you can switch off the RGB lighting as well in case if you want to save some battery. So that was a complete overview on the menu and its built-in features, and display quality is also nice. Everything looks like sharp, text is also clear, easily readable, and brightness was also adequate. Alright, now moving on, let me tell you about the comfort and in-hand feel and experience. The CyberWolf Vision Alpha has a very similar Xbox controller sort of design, guys, and feels quite nice and comfortable when you're holding. Weighs only around like 295 grams and comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't need to install batteries again separately, guys. That's a plus point. It has a 2-tone white and silver design, and the whole finish, fit and feel, everything feels quite premium. One more thing I forgot to mention is not only the thumbsticks, but even this top transparent faceplate is also removable. You're getting magnetic swappable faceplates. Plus, for my subscribers, right, if you purchase this product through my links in the description box, you can actually get a magnetic faceplate worth 1000 rupees for absolutely free of cost along with the controller, guys. I've been using the Vision Alpha for the last couple of days and had a great time. It feels quite comfortable in the hand, all thanks to its ergonomic design, and all the buttons are also like quite easily accessible. At the beginning only I've told you, right, quality of the buttons used is also top notch. You're getting mechanical tactile XYAB buttons that feel clicky and super satisfying while using. Even the bumpers have Alps grade switches, and coming to the analog sticks, you're getting premium Hall effect joysticks. Now you might get a question, Vimal bro, what is the difference between these Hall effect joysticks and your regular joysticks? See, your regular controllers come with a traditional potentiometer joysticks that totally rely on physical contact to register any sort of inputs that you apply on the joysticks. But that is not the case over here. Hall effect joysticks feature magnetic sensors to register inputs. There is no physical contact only happening, guys, and this results in minimal wear and tear. Hence, Hall effect joysticks are more durable and offer longer lifespan. Not only that, even the accuracy is lot better than the traditional controllers. So you get precise character movements and you won't face any joystick drift issues also over time. So just like the joystick, even the triggers are also Hall effect triggers, guys, not your regular triggers, and these are much more sensitive, precise, and also customizable as per scenario or the game. I am telling you, right, I had a great time playing AAA games on my PC using this controller. If you ask about the connectivity and signal strength, connectivity also felt excellent. I didn't face any sort of lags, delays, nothing like that. Almost instantaneous, all thanks to its super reliable 2.4 GHz wireless dongle connected to my PC. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, the display on the controller is not fully customizable. I mean, it shows lots of information. You can configure the controller, but you cannot change any sort of image, video, or you cannot apply any sort of GIFs, guys. I mean, come on, CyberWolf, you guys literally gave a beautiful 2 inches display, and how can you not make it customizable? I totally understand your concept was not to rely on any external software or apps for configuring it, but maybe at least for the next model, please take this into consideration. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Vision Alpha comes with 1800 mAh battery on board, and battery life was actually decent. On a moderate sort of usage with the RGB lighting turned off, playing AAA games on my PC via the dongle connected gave me roughly around like 8 to 9 hours of battery life on a full charge. And if you enable RGB lighting, then it will obviously decrease a bit, so it totally depends on the user. And the charging time was roughly around like 4 to 4.5 hours. So that is pretty much it, boys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. CyberWolf's all new Vision Alpha gaming controller. If you're looking for a premium quality wireless controller with multi-platform support, then you can definitely go for it. Top notch features, and obviously you're getting a beautiful display on board. It costs roughly around like 5,990 rupees, and I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.